Hello, Mad About Fly here, doing a unboxing on this Monarch Airlines Airbus A321 Skymarks. As you can see on the box, that it said that the display stand included. And I know it's included because this has been opened several times. And you can see it's got the Airbus logo on, and it says Darwin on there. There's just the side of the box. There's the back of the box where it tells you how to assemble it. And it says you can't, no glue required. There's truly a stand and it's a snap-on. There it's just the other side, but it's just got the sticker with Monarch Airlines, with Monarch on there. And it says, start your collection with the airplanes you have flown on. Add to your collection with aircraft from around the world. My first ever Skymarks model was a Ryanair Boeing 737-800. So now, without further ado, let's open it. Hold on. As you can see, that it comes into this packaging. You can take this off. And there's the aircraft. I'll show you more about that once we assemble it. These are the two wings, and I'll show you them once it's all built. Without further ado, let's start building. I'll try my best to build this while I was on camera. Done. This is a bit tricky building this on camera. And yep, this aircraft's been built. What I need to do is build the stand. This should be fairly easy to do on camera. Yep, as you can see, it's got the Monarch logo and it says Monarch on, and it said Airbus A321, and it's 1 in 150 scale. And all the Gemini jets, all Skymarks aircrafts come with this pamphlet where it tells you this is how to assemble the normally how you assemble them. And at the back, it's got, if you get that one, the Dash 8 or the Mid 90, then it tells you how to put all the stands on, and it tells you how to put them in, as they're a lot different than this one. And now I'll just put the box back. Now I'll just leave it like that for now. As you can see, it's got a little peg there where this aircraft goes in there like this, and that's basically the aircraft. And it's got the Monarch logo on there, and it said Airbus A321 on there, because all Gemini jets and Skymarks models has registration for its aircraft. And this one is Golf / Oscar Zulu Bravo Zulu. As you can see, the engine designs are it's the wider, like the longer engine design. As you can see there are the two winglets, and it says Monarch on there, and it's got the Monarch symbol there. This is really detailed, and it's basically the same on the other side. It's got landing gears on there, unlike my Hawaiian Airlines one. That's the only one without the landing gears. I got an Emirates one here without landing gears, but I may be getting another one of the landing gears for this one for now. But I'll just leave it for now. And that's basically the aircraft. And that's all for now. I'm actually going to do a top 10 of my Gemini jets, because I've got 10 different Gemini jets aircraft, and I'm going to go from my least favourite to the most favourite. And I'll get to that in more detail in the next video. Goodbye.